So before you guys watch this video, I was gonna try to install all the front bumper and everything onto the car. So I decided to take the whole bumper apart. But I realized you do have access to the bolts without removing the bumper. So I'm gonna put the timer where you could just skip where the headlights go on. I'm already gonna have the bumper out. Or you could just skip through the video until you start seeing me remove the headlights. Pretty much behind the fender liner, there's one screw here, which it's for, where's it at? It's for this one right here. So if the, pretty much, yeah. So when you're going behind your fender liner, your wheel, there's literally one bolt here. So you should be able to unscrew it. It's an A-mill, okay? On the top one, the driver's side is a little bit difficult, but you could fit a small socket, A-mill also, and remove it from the top. This is pretty much, I don't know if the best way is to remove the top one. I saw it and it looked like it wasn't the right way. So I removed it from the bottom. Passenger is so easy. And then the last one is by the grill. So if you remove the grill or you just remove the little cover, the bolt screws in here. So you could actually remove it just with an extension. So you could actually probably remove the headlight completely without removing the bumper. Just giving you guys a heads up so you guys could just skip through the whole video. But yeah, guys, I decided to remove the whole thing because I was gonna try to do all this installation in one video, but just make it into like 3 parts. But something happened that I'll talk about it in another video. So I couldn't do this whole thing, and I just decided just to do the headlights, which, as you can see, they already came out. They're already on the car and everything came out good. So thanks for watching. Just keep playing the video. Just skip until I start removing the headlights. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like the video, subscribe, because there is still going to be way more content. All right, guys. So we're going to be doing the headlights, like we said. We're gonna be doing the headlights, knocking this out real quick. My dogs, you know. So that's gonna be the first thing we're gonna change. Still, this bumper's still gonna go back on until we could get this whole bumper assembled. So we're just doing little bit by little bit. So to remove this bumper, because that's the only way to get to the headlights, I'm gonna have to remove the bumper. It's gonna be, you're gonna have to remove these duck belts out again. I still haven't changed them. And remove this cable, remove some bolts. Cause you have one here, and then you have, I believe, 2 on each side, and then 1 more underneath. And then you're gonna have to remove your under tray if you have one. This one does have one still, so we're gonna have to remove that. So let me get everything prepped. So you guys should be able to see what I'm doing. My dogs are gonna be just rolling around. So let me try to remove these real quick, because I'm also on a time crunch. Cause took my girlfriend to work. I thought she closes today, and she doesn't. So you know what that means. I gotta go pick her up. So I can't pick her up if the car's apart. It's missing the clip here. I guess it fell off. Not to worry about it. So we're gonna just do this real quick. Okay, so to remove that, you just okay. I forgot these. It's just a tab. Okay, I'll show. Oh, there you go. Just a tab. You gotta push it. There you go. Move this here. Just gonna put that on the side for now. So then, I don't know if you guys could see that, but there's a bolt right there where my finger's at. There should be one on the other side. And that's how you remove this side of the bumper. So we're gonna get that started. Okay, so don't want to lose it. Oh, shit. I wish I had a lift, guys. It would make things easier. So, Lola. Okay. So from here, there's, well, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm missing one clip here. Can I turn the wheel? No. There's another one here. And I believe, where's my phone? God damn it. Okay. So you guys can see, there's one there. There's another one there. Just push this out the way. And then you guys should be able to get to the other two bolts. Over. Where's the other one? Just try to. It goes. Just gotta pop it out. No. Hey. This dog likes to bite a lot of things. Look. Hey, what you doing? So, can't have these laying around because that's what I want to do. Okay. So now I gotta do that. And then we should be able to see more of this. There's like a clip there. Oh, it's only, yeah, it's 2/10. Sorry guys if I can't really show you that much, but once I remove the bumper, you guys will see what I'm talking about. You guys could turn you guys could remove turn the wheel. I'm just trying to be lazy, not remove it. You get me? Turn it around. Hey! I said there's two clips, 10s. I'm just gonna remove it. I should kind of just remove that. Kind of remove the corner lights. And stuff, but we could probably start doing that. Let me check the bottom before I jack up the other side. Whoa, oh, this is pretty much beat up. I know for sure these are 8s. Yeah, that's why I want to replace this bumper. Whoa, she has a nail here. Not good, not good. Trying to remove this under tray. Okay, gotta be careful with the dog. Okay, is there any more here? Oh, there's one here. What the frick?
Oh, this is pretty much done. This is what flops on the side of the road. Here's another one, and another one. Okay, so as you guys can see, pretty much I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Technically it should be another one, 6. I would say there's like 8 of them. We're probably missing some since our under tray is beat up. Oh, look at the clips right here. Nice. Oh, but it broke off. So yeah. Same. So there goes that, guys. Now let's go try to remove the other 2 on the other side. I wonder if I could do it without jacking up the car. I probably could, because this one's missing the most clips here already. Oh. Yeah, I could probably do it from here. Let me just, as you guys can see, I popped it loose. But before you guys try to pull it out, don't forget, you guys do have fog lights. So you kind of want to remove that out the way. And then there should be 2 more brackets that we have to remove before this whole thing pops out. So that goes there. It's kind of off, guys. See, I'm just gonna try to remove these fog lights out the way. There you go. There goes one. Let's remove the other one. You just gotta twist it. Whoa. Oh, now that is technically dangling. You just wanna okay, there you go. So, oh shoot, the corner lights. Oh, this one's kind of jacked up. Whoa. God damn it. So, see, this one didn't. So you guys can see, that's how you remove the bumper. This bumper is completely, well, look at that, clapped out. So there's a new one right there. So the bumper is off. Sorry guys, the bumper's off. There's sometimes another mount here. Here's another one, but as you can see, this one wasn't connected. Probably the bolts came out and stuff. Now that I figured out that this switch is beat up too, I'm gonna have to look for me another one. Try to buy me another plug, cut it, splice it, and put it on before the new bumper comes out. It's good to know sometimes these things when you start taking stuff apart. And where I was telling you guys about those brackets, they will usually be here, you know, support right here. As you can see, it has them on both sides. So this thing's just hanging in here. It's supposed to be clipped in, I believe, but all this underside is pretty much broken. I actually have access kind of to the sensor I'm supposed to change, but it just goes in here. But I have to remove the radiator. So That's not what's important. Let's go back. Right, let's try. Okay, so now that we're back here to remove the headlights, it looks like there's a 8mm here, one here, and I believe, let's see, that can't be it. One. Let me remove that top cover. Maybe there's some on top. Who knows? Where did my dog take my thing? Lola. Look at this girl. She's a little puppy, guys. So she's over here trying to find out what she could chew around. She likes to chew things. So we probably have to remove this too for the lights. We're just gonna do it, maybe not. Just gonna do it just in case we do. Okay. And there you go. Okay, guys, so now that we got that, we just gotta see what connects to the headlight. It looks like I said, it's that one, probably, and that one. I think it's only two. So we're gonna check. Oh shoot, I dropped it over here. We're gonna see if it's 8mm, which probably that I can't reach to it. Yep. So where's the ratchet? Goes one. It is a long bolt. This one. Probably need to do it with a shorty. So let's go with an 8 right here. There you guys go. Okay. We're gonna test it out. We could remove the light. So I guess that is also one. It's a star because it doesn't just pop up. Nope. So we're gonna try to remove that too. Okay. No. And we do have to remove that. This is a sorry guys. This is a T50. Probably, no. Oops. Oh no, sorry guys. Actually, that's not how you remove it. To remove it, it's another 8 in the back. Damn it. Okay, so that's how we know. I try to remove it from top, but that's not how you remove it. So now we can remove the light operation. So there you go. Unplug this. Okay, so it's actually to remove the the clip, you just have to pry this little clip all the way out. I'll show you guys on the next one that I do. But there you guys go. And this is what I mean, like I had to buy new ones because this right here is kind of burned. This wasn't working no more. I don't know if you guys could see inside there, but it's completely burned in there. So these were still all the same. So good thing I'm taking these off. And where's the new one? So we're gonna compare it. Look at that. Whoa. Should be nice. This one's actually this one. Okay guys, so for the new one. So we're gonna pop this up. So probably take this off. Okay, it's on there. Let me see the old one. No? Yeah? It's like that. Unless it went this way. Yeah. I don't want to go that way. Did it? Okay guys, so the GoPro died, but look at that. Damn guys. So I did both the bolted. This one wasn't too bad trying to put it back in. Bolted this one, as you guys can see right here, and then bolted this one. So just 3 that holds it. You connect it. Look at that. Look at the difference, guys. From kind of hazy and stuff to looking like new. Oh my god. So cool. And then like I was telling you guys, the reason why I wanted to change it, because these lights have like a bolt-in for the eyebrows. And this one's burned. Even if I put a bolt in there, it didn't work. And look at how hazy they are. So might as well change them. You know? And so amazing. And then like for the bumper, like I was telling you guys, there's 2 bolts in here. You just have to remove one right here. The other one's right there. Not too difficult. Both sides. And then there should be another one here. But as you can see, this bumper didn't have it. So I don't know if I'm gonna try to add some and stuff. So we're gonna take all that apart. Take this one all apart because it's the same thing. And then I'll show you guys once it's all apart. You know? So I'll pick up the camera real quick soon. So there you guys have it. I put everything back. Like I said, it's pretty much vice versa. Look at that. It makes even this crappy ass bumper look good. But yeah, as you guys can see, we still have the other bumper. But this is the first install. It's pretty much simple. Just put everything back. The only thing I haven't put is the under tray, because that under tray is beat up. So the only way, if you really anal about this, like you just have to keep moving stuff. The only thing is kind of hard to tell how the bumper's gonna fit with it until you put the bumper on, and then you really don't have access to the bolts. Only this one and this one. Or kind of, you could actually do it if you don't remove the wheels. Sorry, if you remove the wheels, you actually have access to all 3 bolts to try to adjust the headlight. But to me, this is pretty good. You know, pretty good. We're about to go see how they look on the daytime. Everything's all connected. So we're about to see. I was able to put the grill pretty looking good too. So like I said, coming from these to before, like I said, hazy, messed up. So we're about to back up the car and see how they look. Came out so good. So good, guys. So that's it, guys. That's how you install headlights on this Mercedes. This is a 2010. I believe it goes all the way to 2014. 08 to 2014, I believe it is. But it's not that hard, guys. So, complete headlights. Not too bad. These are the old ones. I'll toss them away. And then, like I said, we do have a new bumper that I gotta prep and everything. But slowly, guys. But that is it, guys. That's it for this clip. I tell you guys, stay tuned. I still have a bunch of stuff to install. You guys can saw the unboxing. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm out.